gentlemen, go. Where ya? I'll talk to her later. I'll call you later. You come.
We're going somewhere.
No, wait, Jimmy crossing me. Yeah. When did I see it?
Doctor.
Cathy. Hey, hold on. Hey, hold on. Are you okay?
Yeah. Sorry, I'm very okay.
Who are you looking for?
Sorry, good evening.
Evening.
Please, I'm looking for Cathy.
Okay, yeah. Cathy, my niece. Cathy! Actually, we're stepping out, so she's just trying to...
Yes, I'm like, you also face like that, so like, you're also going out.
Anyway. And you have a visitor. Please have a seat.
So you are the auntie that Cathy's been talking about?
Yes. I just got down.
Gang.
Just how is it?
Gang. Hey, Cathy, you're not done yet?
Baby!
Ooh.
Help!
Gang. That's my baby. Gang. I am done yet. I mean, himself will be look at you. You're delaying too much. You guys are delaying.
So beautiful.
Sorry.
So, what is the your makeup or what?
No, like I have to wear my hair.
Come on, do it for us.
Let's send me some water.
Auntie, right?
Yeah.
Please, thank you very much. Like, I'm okay.
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay, you. Here's my auntie. And auntie.
Yeah.
He's my husband too.
So you never told me about this. You were hiding it from me.
Like I'm hiding it from you.
Hey.
Wait for
Alright, okay. 2 minutes, please. No delay, baby.
Okay, babe.
I love you too much. Giddy. That's what I'm talking about, yeah.
Oh,
that's my baby girl.
Anyway, that's so beautiful. I just love to see you guys happy like this.
Yeah, sure.
Well, I hope you're not going to break her heart.
Oh, nah. We do love, we love each other.
Okay, that's fine. So if I may ask, what's your name?
Okay, my real name is Prince, but they call me, they all call myself Arrested. Yeah.
Arrested.
Yeah.
Okay. You have a nice name.
Thank you very much.
Anyway, I love your cap.
Thank
I love
you.
caps.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sometimes don't prefer how we drip, we coming out with the guests.
I drip myself, so
yeah, I can see that. Cathy has been talking a lot about you that you were based at the United States of America or something.
Sure, I got down for some holidays. I'll soon be going back.
Whoa. I can even see the drip at some point.
Rolex? What?
Yeah, Rolex, please. Yeah, very expensive.
Oh.
Yeah, $3,000.
Anyway, that's fine.
Yeah.
Let me get you some water.
Come on, don't worry, Auntie. Please, I'm very okay.
Trust
me, I'm very okay. If you don't if it's just
okay.
yeah.
Let me just get your water.
Yeah, so Auntie should give me something.
Okay. I'll soon be with you.
Alright, okay, Auntie.
Okay.
Gang. That's what I'm talking about. It's in the family. It runs in the family. Say Nyash. And I need to get down.
Okay. Sorry.
Thank you very much, Auntie.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry.
Don't worry, Auntie.
I'm so sorry.
Don't worry, I'm cool.
Wow. You're such a handsome guy. This is so beautiful.
Thank you.
You're handsome.
You're so beautiful. Even though I'm you're old, but you still look fly.
No, I'm just 18. I just turned 18 last week. Yeah.
Bombo.
Like seriously, what am I saying?
Oh, Cathy. Your boyfriend.
Baby.
Cathy, baby.
What's going on here?
There was something around his cheeks. So
you look fly. Come here, baby.
Help him out.
Really?
Bra, come on.
And me aunt na oh me anasa. Dia wo ye ni na me gina ha na me hye mo.
What?
No,
baby.
No, Cathy, what are you saying? What
and
are you speaking?
It is oh yes our bonti na only do me fear so.
Come on.
Oh,
Cathy,
wow.
to what extent?
Baby.
Nah, it doesn't make sense.
Why am I even calling you baby?
We love each other. No, listen.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
No. Wait, I'm not leaving the place. I want to talk to her. Talk to her.
What you're doing is unfair.
Cathy!
Listen, let me, come on, let me explain. That's all I'm saying, baby. That's what I'm saying, baby. I'm not going anywhere. You can explain. You feel me?
Stop it. You don't have to do this. In fact, you can't do this in America. New York City, you can do this. Just look at her.
I love you.
Look at who? You're talking to
You are seducing my guy.
I didn't seduce your guy.
And you are here telling me you can't do this anymore.
I am highly disappointed at you. I'm not expecting this from you at all.
Baby, it's not like
See, Catherine,
touch me.
come and sit down.
If you touch me, so who's so me more on? We will be bad side. Get out. Get out. Or do you want me to leave you guys so that we can continue what
we have to address this issue.
Huh?
Just sit.
God damn it! I love you with your bully family. I love you with your bully family. God damn it, Catherine. I love you, Catherine. I love you, Catherine, with your bully family.
You're crazy.
God damn it, Catherine. I love you with your bully family. I didn't even Catherine. What is that? What is that?
Oh, Catherine, you have to calm down and talk to your boyfriend. Gentlemen, it's fine. Just sit down. I know you love.
You can't pretend
your family. No, you sit here.
What?
Sit here.
God damn it!
Okay, that's fine. Catherine, come and talk to your boyfriend.
I'm sorry, baby.
Oh.
I love you, baby.
It's also
What?
you want to have fun with my sister.
No, with you.
You can go ahead.
No, Auntie.
Catherine!
No,
Hey! Gentlemen,
Auntie, please talk to me.
Talk to what?
My woman. Like,
Meaning woman.
She's angry. She's
Wait,
pissed.
gentlemen, go.
Ah.
Where, yeah? I'll talk to her later.
Okay.
I'll call you later, you come.
Wait, we're going somewhere.
Wait, Jimmy crossing the yeah. When did I see the detail? No, I brought to come and say, gentleman like you, trying to jump. Like what? Where? Oh, fine.
Why